നമസ്കാരം. കേരള അറ്റ് 24 ന്യൂസിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. കൊല്ലം നിലമേൽ മരണപ്പെട്ട വിസ്മയയുടെ കൈതോടുള്ള വീട്ടിൽ കേരള ഗവർണർ ആരിഫ് മുഹമ്മദ് ഖാൻ ഉച്ചയ്ക്ക് 12 മണിയോടുകൂടി സന്ദർശിച്ചു. സ്ത്രീധനം പിശാചിന്റെ സന്തതിയാണെന്നും സ്ത്രീധനം ചോദിക്കുന്നവനെ സ്ഥാനമാനങ്ങൾ നോക്കാതെ നിയമത്തിന്റെ മുന്നിൽ കൊണ്ടുവരണമെന്നും അഭ്യർത്ഥിച്ചു. സ്ത്രീധനം എന്ന മഹാമാരിയെ ഈ രാജ്യത്ത് നിന്നും തുടച്ചു മാറ്റുമെന്നും അദ്ദേഹം പറഞ്ഞു.
Dowry abuse cases are increasing in our Kerala. Vismaya was victim of this case. What is your opinion about doing this case?
I say with satisfaction that women in Kerala, they generally, I'm talking, even while walking on the road, they appear to be so full of confidence, and they have reason to feel confident. The education standards of Kerala, the social welfare standards of Kerala, the health standards of Kerala, everything I find compared to many other places, Kerala is much, much, much better a place. But then, howsoever good or better you become, there are certain human weaknesses, certain evils. And this dowry is an evil. And through you, through the media, in fact even to you I appeal. As far as the laws are concerned, laws are quite strong. I have no doubt that laws, they are taking care of such crimes and they will take care of such crimes very effectively. But we need to create a general awareness, social awareness about the evil aspect of this dowry. You know, like these things are born in the mind of man, so defense against the evil must also be created in the mind of man, and that is where even the role of media becomes very important. And through you, Kerala, there is no dearth of NGOs, volunteers, those who selflessly work for public causes. And through you, I would like to appeal to them to create a special movement against this dowry. I was saying that the very instance somebody makes it known that they want dowry, they should be told in very stern terms that this marriage or this relationship cannot go ahead. Such requests must not be, such demands must not be entertained by the girl's family. But for that, you need to create awareness. And awareness, as far as the instrument to create awareness is concerned, Kerala has instrument. This is one place where a young girl, after the floods, she starts a website asking people to, youngsters to register themselves as volunteers. Within less than 24 hours, 73,000 youngsters get themselves registered as volunteers, and government had to tell them that we will call you when we need you. So there is no dearth of people in Kerala. Yes, some organized movement against the dowry. And the organized movement can be that if we come to know that there is some exchange of dowry, we will not attend the marriage. If the boy side demands dowry, then the girl side should say that the very fact that you have indicated demand, we are not going to go ahead with this proposal. And the girls must also be they should be mentally prepared to say no to such proposals. and there I see a greater role for you. And as far as I am concerned, I am ready to work as a volunteer. And I am sure that I am appealing to these organizations, these volunteers, to start something in an organized manner to create the awareness, and I shall be fully associated with them. Anything more?
It is a history that the governor coming out to face the such problems and giving
For me, she was like daughter. Any daughter of Kerala is my daughter. I feel like crying.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much.